How to change image background color in GIMP. First, you need to come here and then right click and then choose here I'll add alpha channel. As you can see, I already did that. So now you need to click here where it says fuzzy selection. And then you need to click here on the background. But in this case, it is better to use select by color. So you'll click here none, right click here, select by color. And when I click here, as you can see, I actually got more precise result. So now what I need to do, I simply need to press delete on my keyboard. As you can see, I deleted the background. So let me just click here on none. And what you need to do next is control scroll. And you need to click here on erase tool. And you need to erase this rest of the red color to make this even better. Okay. And after you finish this, scroll back. Okay. What you need to do next, you need to click here and you need to choose a color. So let's say, for example, I wish to add a green background. Click here, click OK, and then click here, okay, to add a new layer. And then here you need to choose foreground color. Click here and then click OK. As you can see, it added green background. So what I need to do, I simply need to drag this layer beneath this one. And here you can see I changed the background color. Now, if you have a more complex background, I actually made a video and I will leave you a link in description where you can see how to remove a complex background in GIMP. So this is how you change image background color in GIMP.